Hey guys, have you ever wanted to create your own secure network between your devices, kind of like your own private internet? That's where tools like WireGuard or Headscale comes in. But they're not the same thing and they actually work really well together. So let's go ahead and start with WireGuard. So WireGuard is a VPN protocol. That means it creates a secure tunnel between two devices over the internet. It's fast, lightweight, and it's really simple compared to older VPN technologies. A lot of people love it because it's open source and super easy to use. You install it, set up a couple of keys, and boom, you've got an encrypted connection. But here's the catch. WireGuard works best when you have just a few devices. It comes with a built-in way to manage a large network of devices or make it easy for them to find each other and connect. So if you're trying to build something like a personal or team-wide network, especially lots of users or devices, it can get tricky. That's where Headscale comes in. So Headscale is an open source tool that helps you manage multiple WireGuard connections. Think of it like a traffic director for your WireGuard network. It doesn't replace WireGuard, it actually uses it, but Headscale helps you organize and control who talk to whom without needing to manually update keys or IP addresses all the time. It's built to work with clients that support Tailscale, a popular service that makes networking super easy. But unlike Tailscale, which is a paid cloud service, Headscale is something you can host yourself. That means more control and more privacy, especially for tech-savvy users or teams who want to run things on their own servers. So, in short, WireGuard gives you the secure connection, and Headscales helps manage those connections in a smart and automatic way. So if you're just connecting one or two devices, WireGuard alone might be enough. But if you're building a whole mesh network, like from a home lab or a development team, or even across company, Headscale is a powerful tool that makes your WireGuard setup way more flexible and user friendly.